Hello everyone, my name is Winnie Sam and I'm right here at the Eko Hotel and Suites. It's the venue for the Digital PayExpo 2025. Now, the Digital PayExpo is a convergence of investors, innovators, and disruptors in the ecosystem to have conversations to drive change in digital payments, the fintech, banking, and digital trade sector. And of course, we have lots and lots of exhibitions, lots of companies that are partnering with the organizers for the conference. I'm going to be having a tour of this exhibition booth from one booth to the other as we go to see what's on showcase and what they have for us.
This content was brought to you by Close Vendor, helping you find and connect with verified vendors across Nigeria. Visit www.closevendor.com to get started.
Hello guys, so I'm here at the Digital PayExpo 2025 and this is the exhibition booth. So many companies and brands are right here to showcase their products and their solutions, from smart solutions to fintech solutions and you name it. So much on ground in this exhibition booth, and I'm going to be taking a tour of some of the products and services that these brands are showcasing here today. So come with me as we take a tour of the exhibition booth here at the Digital PayExpo 2025. Hello, my name is Winnie Sam.
Nice to meet you. I'm Delia. I'm from Eurovo.
Eurovo.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about Eurovo.
So the Eurovo, first one, we are global POS suppliers, not just to have our clients in Nigeria, but also other places, sound like America, South America, also Europe, Asia, and the whole Africa. Also have some clients too. So this is about Eurovo.
So what is Eurovo all about? It's a POS. So what makes Eurovo different?
So make Euro, the meaning of the Euro means unique. Eurovo.
Interesting.
Euro, unique, right? Interesting, right? So the names shows are different. So first one difference is upon others in the POS suppliers. We are public company, so we are very large. We're not just a POS product line. We have the printer, tablets, and other devices. So we have experienced 20 years in the hardware, the smart devices. So we use it in our POS. So make us more reliable devices can give our clients compare with other competitors.
How long have you been in Africa?
A long time. You mean myself or mean my company?
The company Eurovo.
Having maybe more than 10 years, I think, or 10 or 5-6 years before Africa. We also have some clients in South Africa, not maybe Nigeria, but we have other countries clients.
Okay, so now you're in Nigeria. The Eurovo POS, does it accept transactions on all type of cards, or are there specific cards that you need to use to make transaction with Eurovo?
Yeah, we just supply the hardware, some of the software.
Okay, just the hardware.
But we also have software services. Some of the clients who want to develop their own merchant applications. So we have our independent software team, so we can support them, help them to development. So this pattern also working some like Middle East places. The bank will ask us to do the application for their own bank. We will do too. So it depends on clients' needs. So I know Nigerian market is more need the better and better the POS system and POS software. So we also can do that. We follow clients' needs because Nigeria is a large population in Africa and also have very positive ambition to Nigeria POS market. So we come here. This is our second year come digital exhibition here. So last year also have come. Yes.
Wow, so I would love to know the price. What's the price for one of the? Is this Euro POS?
Yes, it's a Euro POS. We have been sold some to the local partner too.
Okay, okay. But
So if you ask the price, I will say depends on quantity. The price is the private things.
Right,
Yes.
right.
So will come connect to me. I will quote for you.
all right, so if you need the Euro POS, you just make sure you connect to them, and they will give you the best of it. Hello guys, my name is Vinny Sam and I'm right here for Tech With Africa, and now I'm at Secure ID Smarter Solutions. I'm right here with two amazing, beautiful ladies, and they're going to talk to me about this particular product. Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. My name is Laura from Secure ID.
And I'm Dami from Secure ID.
All right, so let's talk about this product. What's this Secure ID all about?
Secure ID is Africa's smart card manufacturing and personalization bureau. It's among many the first to be certified by Master Visa Card in West Africa. It's a digital solutions providing company as well. And right now, in the last 20 years, Secure ID has pioneered a lot of industry firsts. Right.
So what do you basically do? Is it you work with banks to produce cards?
We work with several industries actually. Banks, one of them. So we produce smart cards for any industry that needs it. Access control cards. We produce cards for governments as well, government institutions. We have resident cards. We have banking cards. We have health cards, loyalty cards. Like we produce cards for even supermarkets that need them. So basically, we are in every area.
And when we're talking about cards, I mean, I know the card is not really about the paper; it's about the chip. Right?
Yeah. Yes.
So Secure ID, this is actually what you guys do.
No.
We are an end-to-end manufacturing firm, and a
So
smart
the total.
the total, which is from end to end, like from resourcing, supply chain, production, even distribution. You get it? So it's like an end-to-end manufacturing establishment.
So Secure ID, do you guys only render services for Nigerian firms
Of
or?
course not. We are international. We are everywhere, and we are. Sorry. Actually, we also have our subsidiary, which is the digital part. We have a digital solutions subsidiary, SID Digital, and we have like TPS as well, which is transport payment solution. That's solutions for transport systems basically. And then there's SID Digital that also has solutions like we tailor solutions to people's needs for like industry needs basically.
Wow.
Just to buttress what she said, Secure ID has presence in 21 African countries.
Wow.
In other words, across Africa, our footprint is there. So aside manufacturing smart bank cards, we also do SIM cards as well, which are the telecom cards, and for other industries. One of our latest innovations, which is the eco-friendly SIM, is taking root. MTN
I've already started adopting that.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
So who would you say are your biggest clients in Nigeria?
Banks, the majorly banks, and then the government as well. We produce, like you can see, we produce cards for like different sectors of the government, and then the banks as well, and telecommunications. I won't even say that there's like a big but just everywhere basically.
And because of how relevant your services are, it's needed in every sector.
Needed in every sector. So we can't say that there's a particular sector where we are bigger at. We are big everywhere in all sectors because we are very much needed.
So why are you here at the Digital PayExpo 2025?
One of our core aim as an organization is to get closer to our audience, whether it's exhibitions. We're here today to engage with the audience that very much is a part of our system. And we welcome everyone. We're here, we're available. And of course, if you want demos, you want to know what we're doing, our latest technology, we're available to answer your questions basically.
Let you know what we do, because I'm sure like some people don't even know like that right here in Nigeria there's a company that produces the smart card that they use, that it is in Nigeria that they produce like their SIM cards and their banking cards. Some don't know that, so we are here to also like sensitize people and enlighten them that we Secure ID is 100% Nigerian, owned by our CEO Mrs. Kofo Akikugbe. Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing hearing these guys talk about secure ID, and I'm just getting to find out that this is actually made in Nigeria by Nigerians, and it's amazing. Guys, if you're interested in cards and anything smart card solutions, secure ID should be the place you should look up to. So guys, secure ID, they are the real deal. They are the real deal. So this is a souvenir I've just gotten courtesy of secure ID.
My name is Belinda. Let me show you our product for the Enjoy POS. This is our new model, AOD model. Enjoy POS with 10-inch display for the operator. And here is 4-inch touch display for the client to show the products. For example, this is the application for the retails. You can do some sales, select some items. So the selected items will be listed here. Then you can do the payment. Select which payment you want to go forward. For example, cash. Then the related receipts will be come out and print out. This model is with the 3-inch, means the 80mm receipt and with cutter for the receipt. And inside of the machine, there is 4G module and Wi-Fi module. So it connects with the cloud server for the item exchange and the report collection to the cloud basis. So the shop owners can receive the data from the machine and they even can update the items on the machine freely. So that is the main feature of the machine. And this is our model for the AOC model. It's the similar machine, but the size is different. This is the 8-inch display, small size, and this is the big size. For the usage, it's the similar. You can do the sales and the payment. Then you can go to the cart. You can see the list here, and then you do the payment. And then the receipt will become out here. And also these two models with the NFC payment. So you can install the e-payment application on the machine. So use the mobile phone. With the mobile phone, you can use the NFC reader for the payment. And also the display can show the QR code, client display. You can show the QR code here. Use the mobile phone, you can scan the QR code for the payment. Aclass have been 43 years. And since maybe 50 years before, we have been in Nigeria for our point of sales for the weighing scales. And this time we want to show our full products here to get more partners to deeply enter this market. For our weighing scale, actually we have different series. For example, these two models is with the AI camera. Under here there is the AI camera, so it can do the recognize of the items. For example, let me show you on this model. Let me example, this is an apple or something. let me do some training to the scale. When we put something, there is a camera to take picture. Then we do some training to let the scale to understand it is, let's say, mango. So there will be a barcode label come out. Then you can put the package for the pre-packaged purpose. And when the second time come again, then it will recognize it as the mango. So you just select it. Then the barcode will be packaged. So the customer can take this package to the checkout counter. So the counter can scan the barcode to come out the receipt. So that is the solution. It is used for the supermarket for the pre-packaging purpose. And this scale, it can be for, you can see that this scale with different features. It can for sales, it can for package, it can be for the shelf label. So one software with 6 different features. So you can use them in different cases at the spare time. But in the normal time, you use it for the sales. For example, you select the sales here, and for the printout, cash. Then it come out the receipt. Then you can switch over to other mode. For example, Swift barcode package mode. Then you put it. It will come out as the label for the fast package. Since it will be same items, the label will be come out continually. You just take it, package. Yes. And, yes, that's correct. And then the third mode is the shelf label. You switch over to the shelf label. Then so you can see we select 3 items, you print. Then 3 items will be printed out. So you can cut it and put on the shelf, but you should use different shelf label, different labels. And then the package label, you can select which kind of label you need. For example, this label is without the backup. No base label paper. You can select change the template to select which kind of label tab you need. For example, this template. So this is another kind of, yeah. Yes, that's right. Actually, this too is similar case for this one, but this is the traditional scale. Original. Yeah, there is no air camera, so you need to select items from these keys. This is we call hard keys. We have the software to edit the items, and you can insert here. And this paper can be replaced, depends on the items you weigh in here. And then when you do the sales, you just put the items on the span and then select the items and the print. The label will come out for the pre-package. Yeah, this is for the super. Yes. And also it can connect with the cloud server as well. The cloud can do the item upgrade and then to the scale. And this is the scale without any printer.
Just like
Normal scale, but we have a unique feature. You can see the display is black. Yeah, because it's saving power. It's saving power right now. But if you touch it, then it come out directly. So in this case, it can save the power greatly. This machine with 3 AA battery, dry battery, it can support 1.5 years without changing the battery. This is the patent design for our weighing scale. This is the future of this one. It can, it's very good for the open market because there's no electricity needed. Yes, yes.
What else do you have?
This is our printer series. For example, this one is the label printout to print out the labels for the couriers, transactions, yes, for the food takeaway. And this is for kitchen, this is for point of sales, this is with the Bluetooth features, wireless connection for the receipt printout.
My name is Omishiri Modupe from Act Technologies Group. We're Act Technologies. We deal with financial institutions. We sell ATM cards, ATM machines. Yeah. We also sell entrust card printer, bank in a box, foreigners and Naira notes counting machines. So we also sell ID card printers, and also we sell consumables to bank and ATM passes to bank too. We also do support on their ATMs as well. So and every other thing, any other thing you can think of. This is bank in a box. So it basically does what the bank does. So you don't have a time will come whereby you don't have to go to the bank to do anything. With just this, you can print your ID, your ATM card. You can withdraw, you can send, you can transfer, you can do any transaction on it. You can do any payment on it. So that's why it is called bank in a box. And here, this is our entrance card printer with also the embosser. So it does this. It's embossed name on the. It does this too.
Wow.
Yes, yes. So this attached to this. Yes, this will go into here. So then it comes out from here. You get your card from here. So this is our Ultron kiosk. So this is a card vending kiosk. So you can, as you can see here, when you input all your informations, then your card will come out from here instantly within 10 seconds. You get your card, yes, like a card vending kiosk. This is a self-service. They also call it self-service kiosk too. So you don't need anybody to put you through. It's very easy to do. So and your card will just come here within 10 seconds. You get your card instantly. So this is a note counting machine.
Yeah, I know this one.
Yes, so it detects fake currency. That's what it does. And this is our ID card printer. You can also use it to issue out your access card, the ones they use in the bank or in the hospital. So this is also a foreign note counting machine too. And this is our app power, Eko Flow, which you can use to power. This is used to power up ATM for 72 hours. Just this and external. Yes, just this and an external battery to power up your ATM card. So this can be used at home and in the offices for your fan, your phones, and all.
More like an inverter.
Yes. So basically, that's all we do. Aside from the ATM parts, we can bring here and other consumables too.
So where do you guys have your office?
Our office is at Oniro here, also at Oshodi and Ipaja. That's the ones in Nigeria. So we also have other subsidiaries in other African countries too.
So guys, I just finished speaking with these guys at Chigwa Tech, and it's amazing to know that most of the innovations and services and products that are being exhibited here are coming from China. Guys, there's something about China. There's something about China, and it's amazing the stuff they're doing, how they're churning out solutions in every aspect. And here today, you can see most of them come up with new solutions, and they're doing excellently well. So tell me about new POS, right?
UBS, yes, okay. And yes, Yogos, we are from China, Shenzhen, near to Guangzhou. I think you know Guangzou.
Guangzhou.
Very famous, many
Yeah.
factory, many factory.
Yeah.
Yes. And we provide the payment solutions.
Okay.
Yes, we have many clients in Africa, all Africa.
Okay, so these are your products, right?
Yes, Android, traditional device, Android device, and the sound box,
What's this? What's this?
sound box.
So what does it do?
For example, you use your phone, scan the barcode and payments and pay your bill,
Okay.
and the bank will send the message to the sound box, and you have received $2.
Okay.
Yes.
I wish you a good show and a good doing business in Nigeria.
Yes,
Have a great.
I like Nigeria.
Why do you like Nigeria?
Yes, because you look like everyone look like strong and beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
You know, Chinese very small. And you know, so,
Would you love to marry a
yes,
Nigerian?
yeah.
Yeah. You love to do that?
Yes, many beautiful girls.
Wow. Interesting.
Yes, yes,
Good to have you and enjoy yourself.
yes. Okay, thank you.
So Epic Pay is a digital payment platform, so which allow you to integrate as many banks as possible into one single platform, making your payment seamless. And we have a lot of security features on ground to ensure that your bank account that is being linked is well secured. So we have our app up on Play Store and iOS, that's App Store. So you just go to there, search for Epic Pay, and you download the app. The major problem we understand is digital payments, but what makes us unique, stand out, is the fact that you can add as many bank accounts you have into one single platform and make transaction from that platform. So instead of you having multiple banks trying to download, just imagine you want to make payment from a particular account and you realize that, oh, you don't have enough in that account. Instead of you going to another app, logging out, so we make payment fast. So that's that's the major thing that we're trying to do. So we've been in we've been for over 3 years now, but well, it's a startup actually, but we'll launch fully this year. So we have other features that you may need to get to know on the app, even outside the app. So let me just start from there. We have a face pay there. Okay, so for the face pay, what this does is the fact that imagine walking to a supermarket. You don't have your card with you, you don't have your phone, network is down, and you want to make payments. So with this now, all you just need to input the phone number that you used to register on Epic. So once you input the phone number, you verify. You have to do some verification, face recognition verification. And once you do that, you have access to your account that you've linked. So once you log in, if I could just quickly run through, you'll see now. Once you log in, you do all the pin that you've your first verification process is your face, because during the onboarding process we take your facial recognition. So it that reconfirms again that okay, you're the one accessing this. You input your phone number with your we verify with your face. Then after that one, we confirm the pin that you set on the app. So once you do that, then you have access to all the bank that you've linked on the app. So once you want to, at the point of payment, verify your PIN and you're able to make a payment. So we are licensed. We are CBN licensed. We have a lot of security features. We are with BCDISS. So we have a lot of compliance in place. So most of the data are encrypted. your data is encrypted. We have a lot of security feature in place. Like I told you, one of the most important thing is the fact that if you look at our onboarding process, it may take a little bit longer than the regular onboarding process, and this is before the fact that we want to ensure that all the features are the EKYC is properly captured. So on the app as well, once you onboard on the app, there are so many features that you tend to enjoy. We have the Epic Pay Circle. So that on that particular feature, you may just imagine you have people that are a parent having their kids going to the mall, and they don't have a bank account, but they want to make payments. So they have access to the parent's account through the Epic app. So the parent can set a particular limit they can spend. So by the time of payment, they have access to make payment on the app with the parent's account. So with the limit, but the parents get approval on any payment they want to make. So it's just like they have access to the parent's account, and they can make payment through that Epic Circle. So you can add as many circle, and you can create the circle maybe for just a particular period of time. After that time, the circle is dissolved. You understand? Then we have this split payment where you can split bills. The percentage at which you want to calculate it is already there for you. Two friends go to see a movie now, or they get something at the store, and they have to make payment. So now this one is paying the higher percentage. This one is paying 70%. This one is paying 30%. You get to split bill. Then the request is sent to the other one. You approve. Okay, you can make that payment. Then the money is transferred through the app. All those things make it easy. So there are additional features you get to see on the app itself. Go to Play Store, iOS, App Store. Then you download. Then the onboarding process is as seamless as possible. Thank you very much.
Hello, it's still winning Sam right here at the Digital PayExpo 2025. Now, one thing is standing out for me so far in this conference is the fact that there are so many solutions that are coming up in this finance and digital payment space. So many payment solutions coming right up, and it's interesting and amazing to see people building out these solutions, making payments more seamless and all of that. And I'm also going to be speaking to more and more brands to see what they've got and what they're showcasing here at the exhibition booth of the Digital PayExpo 2025. This is a cue that whatever you're doing, whatever you're building, you need to put it out there. You need to bring it out there. There are many problems to solve, and the more solutions we have, and the better for us.